have to say hi. Say hi.
Good morning, everybody. Today we are going on a
pirate ship.
pirate ship! And we're trying to figure out where it is in this little town. I think.
Nordskid.
Yep. That's it.
So we've lucked out with weather literally like every day. Last night it rained for the first time, which is very uncommon, abnormal here in the Faroe Islands. But yeah, today we are going to be riding this like wooden ship you can see right here. And there's not much shelter on there, so hopefully we have some good weather. We've got rain jackets, and then we'll be able to maybe see mermaids and dolphins. What else, Luce?
Mermaids!
Mermaids?
Yeah!
I like your bow tie.
I heard that some people saw dolphins.
Dolphins, mermaids, and jellyfish.
Ooh, that would be cool.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Arg, matey.
We are rocking back and forth. This camera belonged to Brad and Hailey Devine. Returned it to the United States. Okay, we had to come down to the lower deck for a little bit.
It's raining, so we came down here for refuge. And it smells exactly like the Pirates of the Caribbean ride at Disneyland.
Yeah, did it spot on. It is. It is rocking down here. How crazy is it that we can now say that we sailed the seas of the Faroe Islands?
It's golden.
Yeah. Hey, what did you think of the pirate ship?
Great.
You thought it was great?
I like it.
Yeah. Such a cute little town, though.
I am obsessed with all the grass roofs.
We go see.
Oh, yeah. Look at. Oh, you cut it. Look at that one. Okay, we finally met Levy in person.
Finally.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. About to have what we've heard is the best sushi in the world, so.
Okay, look out, Japan.
Look out, Japan.
This is Faroe Islands sushi right here. Oh, that looks amazing. Greta's going straight for the lemon.
Here you go. 1, 2, 3. It's like a chicken nugget.
Do you like it?
The throat or whatever of the cod. It's a chicken nugget.
We just went up a one-way street and now we're causing havoc.
Kill me.
All right, it is our last morning here in the Faroes. We're so sad to be leaving.
I really am sad about leaving.
Are you sad that we're going home? Yeah? Did you have so much fun here? Guess what? We still have 3 more hours. So I feel like we've shown like a lot of like the quick and easy food here, but I wanted to show this open face sandwich I just got. This is like my favorite food in Scandinavia. You got some shrimp and some eggs and some cucumber.
Always wants to do everything her sister's doing. Hailey and I have come to the conclusion that like the reason why we love Faroe Islands so much, other than like the natural beauty is it seems that everyone here is very family driven.
Seems like the living here is just really like slow paced and family oriented, which I love. So it's a great place to bring families for sure.
Everyone has like these nice strollers and going around.
You don't see any umbrella strollers. Everybody has like these souped up, like really nice strollers for their kids. Because everyone's outside in the elements. It's so cool.
Okay, ready? Go! You did it!
Yay!
He's doing anything for the shot and I'm freaking out. Yeah. Lucy, you just made it to the top. What the heck? You are so brave. When did you get so brave?
In 20 years old.
Oh, mm-hmm. Hailey, you're next.
Okay, this isn't fair. I'm in the worst shoes.
This might be the funniest video we have this whole trip. Yeah! Yeah! Oh! Hailey! Oh no! Mama's okay.
That is the funniest. We just watched the video back and I'm like crying. The amount of fails that we have from this trip
We'll
is
make
just
a fails
hilarious.
compilation. Those are all puffing. Oh. She like was still holding onto the stroller and just legs up in the air.
And bless Greta's heart, she just started crying. She was like so nervous for me. I love you, Greta.
Little piggy nose.
I love you.
Well, that was amazing. We absolutely love the Faroe Islands. Seriously, top place to visit.
It was
It's
unbelievable. This is like a photographer's playland and amazing for kids. And it's just so relaxed. It's just like island vibes here. It's amazing.
Of course, when we record, there's one car that goes by, the only car on this island. But we hope that you enjoyed watching these videos. We have tried our hardest to capture it. We soaked it all in and just seriously, this place is magical. It's magic.
Be sure to watch all episodes from this series. We'll link them all below. But thank you so much for watching and be sure to subscribe for more family and travel videos.
And we'll see you soon.
Bye!
See ya!